Hello guys and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be checking out the newest switch from Wuque Studios, which is their yellow switch, and why I think it is probably Akko's newest competitor when it comes to budget switches. Now Akko released their Akko cream yellow switches, and I think these are very similar to them but are a bit better in terms of the specs. These were sent to me by Custom Keys, and they are selling them for $7 for a pack of 18 switches. So they are selling for a very good price. When it comes to the specs of these switches, they are a linear switch with a nylon top and bottom housing, a palm stem, and a 22mm double stage spring. It has a total travel distance of 3.80 millimeters and a bottom out force of 53 grams. Here's a sound test so you guys can hear how they sound. In terms of sound and performance, I would say these lean towards the clackier side of things, as you heard in the sound test, but they do feel very smooth right out the box because they are factory lube. Now, just like the other switches they sent me, the lube job isn't amazing. I still think Affleon has a better factory lube job, but it is very passable, especially for the price point these are going at. Now, comparing them to the Akko Cream Yellows, which is what I think is the biggest competitor for these switches, they are very similar. The only thing that I think gives these switches the edge over the Akko Cream Yellows is the spring weight and the fact that it is a double stage spring. So these are 53 grams and have a double stage spring. And what that double stage spring does is basically gives you a snappier performance when typing, which feels a lot nicer. And 53 gram weight for me personally is a lot better than what the Akko Cream Yellows has. So overall, these switches sound great right out of the box, and I think they feel great as well. And I think Akko should watch out because Wuque Studios is developing some great budget switches, considering that these are factory lubes, and for the price that they're going at, with the weight and the double stage spring, these are a great option for anybody looking to replace their Gateron Yellows or anything like that. But I think these are a direct competitor to their Akko Cream Yellows. Other than that, let me know what you guys think about these switches in the comments down below, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.